If you're considering Cloudways for your web hosting needs, you're probably wondering how it compares to other popular hosting providers like Bluehost or SiteGround, and whether it's really the best option for your website. In this video, we're going to cover 12 essential things you need to know before making your purchase. Stick around to the end, and we'll help you decide if Cloudways is the right choice or if another option might be a better fit. The first thing to understand about Cloudways is that it's a managed cloud hosting platform. Unlike traditional shared hosting services, Cloudways allows you to host your website on top cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, or DigitalOcean. This gives you access to powerful infrastructure with more flexibility and scalability than typical providers like Bluehost, which usually rely on shared servers. Next thing to note is its focus on ease of use. While some cloud hosts can be complex, Cloudways has designed a user-friendly interface that simplifies cloud hosting. Setting up your website is much faster and less complicated than other cloud providers like AWS, which require more technical knowledge. The third thing you should consider is the pricing. Cloudways operates on a pay-as-you-go model. This means you only pay for what you use, so it can be cost-effective for growing businesses that need to scale up or down without being locked into expensive long-term contracts. In comparison, providers like SiteGround have fixed pricing tiers that could lead to overpaying for resources you don't need. The fourth thing is that Cloudways offers high performance, thanks to its cloud infrastructure. Unlike shared hosting services, which can slow down under high traffic, Cloudways gives you access to faster load times and better overall performance. This is crucial for sites that want to retain users and improve SEO rankings. Next, Cloudways customer support deserves a mention. They offer 24/7 live chat, email support, and even a dedicated account manager for higher tier plans. Many other hosting companies, like Bluehost, offer customer service, but often with longer wait times and less specialized support. The sixth thing is the ability to scale your website easily. Cloudways provides flexible scaling options, whether it's increasing your server's resources or adding more storage. This is a huge advantage over traditional shared hosting services, where you're stuck with fixed resource limits. The seventh point is Cloudways' focus on security. They offer built-in security features like automated backups, firewalls, and SSL certificates to help protect your website from threats. This gives you peace of mind, especially compared to lower-cost hosting providers who may not provide the same level of security or charge extra for essential features. Next thing to keep in mind is the lack of a domain registrar with Cloudways. Unlike Bluehost, which includes domain registration as part of its service, you'll need to buy your domain elsewhere and point it to Cloudways, which could be an extra step for beginners. The ninth thing to know is that Cloudways provides multiple hosting options, including WooCommerce and WordPress hosting. This makes it a solid choice for e-commerce sites or blogs that want specialized features. Many traditional hosts, like SiteGround, are more limited in this area. Another important consideration is the platform's flexibility with software stacks. With Cloudways, you can choose from a range of app stacks, including WordPress, Magento, and Laravel. This is in contrast to shared hosting, where you might have less control over your environment. The 11th point is their built-in caching tools, which are crucial for improving speed and reducing server load. Cloudways includes tools like Breeze and Varnish caching, which can significantly speed up your website without the need for third-party plugins, unlike other hosts which often require external caching solutions. The 12th thing to know is that Cloudways doesn't offer email hosting. While this isn't a deal breaker for many, it's worth considering if you need email hosting included with your plan. Other providers like Bluehost include email hosting, making it more convenient for some users. So, there you have it. 12 key things you should know before buying Cloudways managed hosting. While it's a great option for businesses that need scalability, high performance, and ease of use, it might not be the best fit if you're looking for an all-in-one solution with email hosting or more affordable pricing for beginners. That said, Cloudways is a good choice for those looking for top-tier performance and flexibility. But if you're interested in a better solution that's easier to manage and also offers a free trial, check out our recommended hosting service down below.